Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is AC. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment down below and share it with your friends and family. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. I know there are tons and tons of videos on eyebrow tutorials, but you haven't seen how I do my eyebrows. So let's get into the video, guys. This is a beginner friendly tutorial and I hope you're gonna enjoy and learn. Very quickly, I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'll be using. These products are very easy to find, yeah? So the first thing that I'm gonna be using is this Fit Me pressed powder, and it's in the color 330 Toffee. And this also by Fit Me number 40 concealer. And I'm gonna be using pencil number 18 on my brows and a concealer brush, yeah? For the concealer brush, please remember that you need a flat brush, yeah? Not a fluffy brush. Also, don't forget your brush, either a spoolie, a brush, or anything that you're able to work with. So I'm gonna start off by just brushing my brows. Before starting drawing your eyebrows, you wanna know the look that you're going for. You need to know whether you want thick brows or thin brows, yeah? So just start drawing your eyebrows with that in mind. So what I want is not so thick brows, but I don't like the thin brows, yeah? So it's gonna be in between. If you are a beginner, what you wanna do is just use your pencil to measure where your brows are gonna start, okay? So what you want to do is just place your pencil here on this part of your nose and just mark it, yeah? Just like that, guys. And for your arc, you just want to place your pencil here. So this is the spot, and then for where your eyebrows are gonna end, you're just gonna place your pencil at this point, yeah, here, then mark. Same goes to the other side. So guys, as you can see, I have my 3 spots, this, and this. And now what I'm gonna do is just draw my lower line. So this is my line, as you can see. Let's move to the other side. Eyebrows are looking with just the bottom line. And remember, I said that I want thin eyebrows, yeah? Not so thin, but also not so thick, yeah? So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the upper line. For the upper line, I don't like starting here. I want to start around this point, so that when I finish off my brows, they will have a natural look to it. and now it's time to shade my brow. Yeah, when it comes to shading my brows, I just prefer just lightly shading my brows where I can see my skin. That's where I'm gonna shade, yeah, for it to have a natural look. And when I get to the beginning of my brow, I'm just gonna do it in cross strokes. Just like that. Okay? To the other side. Then shade only the parts that guys, this is how my brows are looking like without any concealer. And now I'm going to brush my brows, then conceal. So now I'm gonna take just a little bit of concealer, just place it on my hand. Then take my concealer brush. For me, I like just taking a small amount of concealer, yeah, because I don't want to spend a lot of time blending the concealer out. I'm just gonna blend this concealer on my lid. Do you see how my eyebrow is looking like so far? It's really nice. So this is how it's looking like so far, and I've just concealed the bottom only, yeah, and it's pretty nice. What do you think? What do you think? So I'm gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. And I'm just gonna draw some dots just to make sure that they are the same. So guys, this is how I look like so far, and I've just concealed the lower part of my brows. So now I'll go ahead and do the upper part here. Let me just draw this part. So I feel like it's moving. Better. It's better. So now it's time to conceal the upper part, and I'm just gonna start off by concealing the tail. Just so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. So this is how they are looking like so far, and I think they are pretty nice. What do you think? So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the concealer that is around the eyebrows. I'm then gonna go and take some concealer and draw strokes on my eyebrows like this. Do you see this, guys? So that's how my eyebrows are looking like so far, and I'm just gonna go in with my brush and blend in the concealer. Yeah. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the concealer with a bigger brush. And I'm first gonna do this. And the reason I don't like using a concealer that is too light compared to my skin tone is because of the blending process, guys. I don't want to look like a clown when I'm walking out there. Yeah? Just be careful when you're doing this so that you don't touch your brows and mess them up, and then you have to start all over again. So guys, as I told you, this is a very, very beginner friendly tutorial. See. So guys, this is how my eyebrows are looking like so far, and I'm pretty much done with the process. So what I'm gonna do now is just go in with my pressed powder and set the concealer with the powder, yeah? So if I'm not doing my foundation, I just take my powder and just place it all over my face, and I'm good to go, guys. So this is how my eyebrows are looking like, guys. I hope you have learned something. Comment down below if you're gonna try my method. And for every year that I said in this video, make sure to take a shot of your favorite drink, whether it's gin, vodka, whatever, even coffee, you can do that. Because I just noticed that in my previous videos, I'm always like, yeah, you know. So guys, like this video, share it with your friends, your family, your neighbors. Comment down below, tag me your pictures, send them on WhatsApp, anything you want to do, guys. I hope you have learned a few tips. Love you guys. Thank you for the support. Bye bye.